logical reasoning. First question is, which of the following figure will complete the pattern in the given figure? So let's see the figure here, how we can complete the pattern like this, and after that this to this, and after that this, and then this will be the pattern here, and here circle complete, and here it will be like this. Okay, so this the pattern will be matching with the this is this and this part here. You can see that yes, A is the right answer here, because A with A matching this figure. Okay, so A is the right answer. Next, find the correct mirror image of the given figure if the mirror image is replaced vertically to the left. Okay, this mirror image is the placed vertically left. So let's check. This is right side and this is left side, so this mirror image will be here. Okay, left side, they are saying that the mirror image is placed vertically left, so mirror image is here. Okay, so in this box on the left side, their G will be like this, N will be like this. Okay, because this is left side of this, and this is here right side, and here right side is this is left side. Okay, so here S will be like this. Okay, like this, and here R is like this. Okay, so the mirror image will be like this R G, this is the right answer here. A is the right answer. Or we also look at this like this. This will be this, and this will be this and this. Okay, you can see that this is the perfect mirror image of the left side of this given figure. So A is the right answer. Next is, in a certain code language, board is written as this and side is written as this. How will base will be written in that code? Board, look, BOARD, and side. Okay, so here board is looking like 5 1 3 2 4 and side is 9 6 4 7. So what we have to be write? Base, BASE we need to write. So B is 5, A is 3, S. Question 4 is, if Anil is to the north of Rohit and Sumit is to the west of Rohit, then in which direction Anil with respect to Sumit? Here are the direction, that is east, west, north and south. Now they are asking north of Rohit. Okay, Rohit is here. The north of Rohit is upward direction. So here is Anil. Okay, and Sumit is west of Rohit. So west direction is here. So it means Sumit is here. Okay, now they are saying in which direction Anil with respect to Sumit. Here is Anil and here is Sumit. In which direction it is? So let's check for the Sumit direction. This is north for Sumit, this is south for Sumit, this is east for Sumit, and this is west for Sumit. Okay, now Anil is in the east direction, but which one is? Here it is north of Sumit and here it is east of Sumit. Okay, so this is the northeast direction. Okay, north and east, between Sumit east and between Sumit north, that is Anil. The northeast direction is the for Anil due to Sumit. With respect to Sumit. So A is northeast, right answer here. Next, which of the following Venn diagram best represent the relationship among the star, moon and sun? Among star, moon and sun. देखो, star, moon and sun. Sun is a star. Okay, so sun is a star. Here you can see that it's a star and sun is a star. So sun is under the star category. Okay. And moon is not a star, so moon is different. Moon is a natural satellite of Earth. So moon is different here. Okay, but they are same in the universe. So D is the correct answer here. Okay, it cannot be fill right here because they are not like they do not have a same characters. Here we cannot take it like this. Moon is star and sun is star. No. And we cannot take it like this, that if I am taking star here, sun here, moon here, then this quality can match, but this cannot match. Okay, because moon is not a star. So D is the right Venn diagram here, that big category is star and sun is also of star, but moon is not star. That's why they are outside of this diagram. So D is the right answer. Next is how many meaningful English word can be formed from the letter E, V, C, L, O. Okay, so with E, V, C, L, O, C, L, O, V, E, clove can be made or no one else. Okay, by using each letter once. So B is one right answer here. Next, find the number of triangles formed in the given figure. So let's check how many number of triangles are in this given figure. This is 1, this is 2. Triangle have 3 sides, we all know that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, this is the smallest triangle we are talking about. 12 are small, and after that this is 1. Okay, and this is 2, then this is 3, and this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. Okay, so small medium size are 6 are medium size. Okay, now what we are talking about the bigger triangles. Okay, so what are the bigger triangles? You can see that here now you can see that this let me change the ink. Okay, here I will take green ink. Then this is this and this. One is here, this one is here 2. Okay, you can see that this part 3, 4, 5, 12 is one triangle. 6, 11, 7, 8 is second triangle, and you can see that one more triangle, this big one, like with blue ink I am taking here. This one is the big triangle. There is 2 green triangle, and 1 blue triangle. You can say that 1 blue triangle. And here some triangles we forget to count. That here you can see that with yellow color I will show you that this one, this 12 and 5, 11 and 6, this is also a triangle. Okay, so these are 2 triangles over yellow, 2 are yellow here. Okay, so how many triangles are total here? That 2 plus 12, 14 plus 6, 20 plus 22 plus 1, 23. 23 triangle we are counting total here. Okay, so what is the option? More than 22 is the right answer here. Okay, you can see that here more than 23 triangles are here. More than 22 triangles are here is the right option, because we are counting here 23 triangles. So here question 8 is find the missing character if a certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. Okay, so let's check what is the rule here. Here we are talking about the alphabet. So let's write alphabet here: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, so here M is on the 13th number, that is 13 number. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Okay, so here M is on 13 number and B is on second number and O is on 15 number. You can see that here. Okay, so here 13 plus 2 is 15. The first 2 alphabet addition is equal to third alphabet. Okay, here W is 23 number, A is 1 number, so 23 plus 1 24, so 24 is X, so X will be here. Okay, you can check here also. F is 6 number, H is 8 number, that is 14, 14 is N, you can see that here. So this is correct here, so X will be question mark will be X position, so B is the right answer here. Next is question 9. Select the correct answer, water image of the given combination of letters and numbers. So let's make the water image here. Here T will be like this and 9 water image is this. This is this and this will be this and this will be this and this is this. Okay, so what is the correct form of this here? That is, which one is that is D part is correctly like this, my water image. So D is the right answer here. Next is find the missing number in the given series 93, 75, 59, 45. So let's check the 93 and 75 difference is 18. 75 and 59 difference is 16. So it means this is minus 18, then minus 16, then here it is difference is 14, तो minus 14, it means this is a sequence of the even number. 18, 16, 14, so it may be here 12 and it may be here 10. So minus 45 minus 12 is 33 and 33 minus 10 is 23. So this is the correct sequence here. So 33 is the right answer. B is 33. Next is, if each of the following words are arranged as they occur in dictionary, then which word will come exactly in the middle? So let's check which one will become in the exactly middle here. That is, देखो BR, BR, BU, BR. So R is coming before U. So these are on the fourth and fifth number. Okay, these will be on fourth or fifth number. Let me check where it is fourth and fifth, but we have to check in the middle one. That middle one be here total are 5. Then middle word will be third. So let's check which one be third. Here BR, BR, BR. In BR it is BRA. This is BRE and this is BRE. So it means this will be 1. Okay. Here BREA and BREA. Again this will be again same. And after A there is K and there is D. So D will became on fourth number and K will come on 11th number. So it means this will be come first. So 2 and this one will be third. So breaking, B is the right answer here. That breaking will become on third number. So B is right answer. Next, 5 students participated in an exam. Kavya ranked higher than Abhay. Abhay ranked higher than Sumit. And Kavya ranked or lower than Nancy. Anshu ranked between Kavya and Abhay. Who ranked at the highest? So again, let's write down the sequence. Here they are saying Kavya ranked higher than Abhay. Kavya ranked higher than Abhay. So Kavya rank was higher than Abhay. And Abhay ranked higher than Sumit. So Abhay was higher than Sumit. And Kavya ranked lower than Nancy. It means Nancy was higher than Kavya. And Anshu ranked between Kavya and Abhay. Anshu rank is between Kavya and Abhay. So Anshu will be here. A and Anshu. Okay, I am taking first 2 letters of each name. So who will be on higher position? Yes. Who will be on higher position? There is Nancy is here, which is on higher position. So C is the right answer here. Okay. Next is, which of the following option will replace question mark in the given figure matrix? So let's check how we solve this given figure matrix. So here first rotation is after first rotation of this figure we will get this. This is the second figure, and after second figure rotation we will get this. Okay, third figure we will get here after this rotation. Here this is rotating like this, and after that it will be again rotate from here to here. Then this will be positioned like this, and then again it will be rotate like this, and again it will be rotate. Okay, so here again in this question this is rotating here. Now it will be here, then after that it will be here. Okay, so second position will be like this, this and this. Okay, because there is a rotation, first this and then this and then this. This is first position, this is second position, and this is third position. So here second position is missing, so second position will be like this. Okay, so this is the right answer. Which one? A is the right answer here. Okay. Next is, how many letters have more than one line of symmetry in the given word? How many letters have more than one line of symmetry? A only have one line of symmetry. L do not have any line of symmetry. P do not have any line of symmetry. H, this one and this one, 2 line of symmetry. This is 1 and this is 2. And A again 1 line of symmetry it have. Okay. B 1 line of symmetry it will have. E is only 1 line of symmetry have, and T is also 1 line of symmetry have. So only H have 2 lines of symmetry, other have 1 line of symmetry. Okay, so how many letters have 2 line of symmetry, more than 1 line of symmetry? That is A only 1, H. Next, select the odd one out. So let's check. This is MOQ, JLQ. Again we need to check here for the alphabet. You can write here, or you can write on your rough page in the question paper that complete alphabet. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So MOQ. M is here. After one letter, that is O, and after O, after one letter skipping, there is Q. Okay. So here is one letter skipping, or we can say that one letter skip, and then we get a next number. Here JLO, JL, and after 2 letter it is skipping over. Here it is 1 letter gap, but here is 2 letter gap. Here 1 letter gap. Okay, and here it is BDF, BDF. This is 1 letter gap and 1 letter gap. So this is same as this. At JL, H, JL, H, J, and J to L. Okay, after 1 letter they are jumping. So this is also 1 letter gap. But here 1 or 2 letter gap. So B is the incorrect here, which has 1 or 2 letter gap. Other have 1 letter gap. So B is the right answer. Odd one out. Next is this. There is a certain relationship between figure 1 and 2. Establish the similar relationship between figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the option that will replace question mark in the figure. Okay, so let's check. Dekho, this will this here, and then this here, and then this here, and then this here. Now in the next figure, triangle and they have reversed their position. Triangle is here now, and star is here. Okay, and in this, देखो here the bulb direction side is here, then arrow is changing the position of bulb with the reciprocal position. Okay, so here this is the here, and but the arrow and they are interchanging with each other. Okay, and their position is remains same. Here inner side position is same, outer side position is reciprocal, but they have interchanged each other. Okay, so here how we will draw, here it will be like box is here, and then this is a dot and this is dollar. The dot will be here. Okay, and dollar will be here. Okay, next the sign how will change, that is they will interchange their positions. So inner change position will be remain same, so arrow will be in same position, but outer position will be reciprocal, so reciprocal will be here. So this bulb will be here. Okay, in reciprocal position, then this is here. Okay, so this figure will be drawn like this. Now this is matching with B only, so B is the right answer here. Next is, what will be the direction of this and this, the square and triangle respectively, if the given figure is rotated 4:1/4 anti-clockwise? This is the anti-clockwise direction, or this is called clockwise direction, and they are talking about anti-clockwise. So देखो 4 after 4 round, 1, 2, 3 and 4, they will be remain same after complete 4 rounds, but after that 1/4 round we will take 1/4 round. Okay, so after 1/4 round this will be rotate 1/4 time. Okay, so this will be here. Okay, after 1/4 round this will be triangle will be here, and this will be here. Okay, here, and this will be in this position, because they are only 1/4 round. Okay, so they are asking for the directions. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. We all know that. Okay, so what will be the direction of triangle and square and triangle? So square direction is where? Square direction is now here. So square is in the west direction and triangle is in the south direction. So west and south. Okay, but first they are asking square, so square is in west direction and triangle is in south direction. In the north direction there is circle, not square and triangle. So we will take east and south, west and south. So C is the right answer here. Okay, next question is, which of the following words can be formed from the letter to the given word? Prestigious. Okay, so how many words can be formed by this letter from the given word? Code, CORD. There's no C, so we cannot make here. Group, GROUP. Yes, group can be formed. Couple, C we don't have. Panic, C we don't have here. So only group can be formed. B is right answer here. Next, there is a certain relationship between the pair of number given on the either side of identify the relationship of the first pair and find the missing number of the second pair. So first we have to find the relationship between the first pair. So 18 and 324. So 18 ka square. 18 into 8, here it is 18. 18 into 18 is 324. Okay. So here 17. So 17 into 17 is 289. So what will be the relation between them? That is 289. Okay. 18 and 18 into 18. This is the relationship between the pair 18 into 18 square. Okay. So this is the right answer for second pair, that is 289. Next is which element is 7th to the right of 13th element? Okay, from the left end in the given arrangement. From the left end there will be the right hand, there will be the left hand. From the left hand in the given arrangement, there is the 13th element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is the 13th element in this arrangement. And from the right, देखो which element is 7th from the right of 13th. So here is 13th, right, 13th right is here, and 7th element is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So C is the 7th element from the right of the 13th. So D is the right answer here. Next is, if fan is called book, fan is called book, book is called chair, and chair is called window, then on which of the following will a person to sit? Person will sit on the chair. Chair is called window now. So the person will be sit on the window. D is the right answer here. Okay. Question 22 and 23. Study the given figure carefully and answer the following questions. Here you can see the picture here. Let's see the question first. If Rita is facing towards the park, then how many degrees must she turn anti-clockwise to face the temple? So anti-clockwise means this direction. And how many turns for the temple? Then here to here. It means this is perpendicular lines. This is 90-degree angle here. Okay. So she will turn 90-degree angle. D is the right answer here. Question 23. After turning 135-degree clockwise and then 180-degree anti-clockwise, Rita is facing the theatre. Where was the facing before initially? Okay. After turning 135-degree clockwise and 180 anti-clockwise, she was reached as theatre. So she reached at theatre after 180-degree turn clockwise. They are saying. Okay. So 180-degree clockwise turn means that it was 180-degree anti-clockwise. Sorry. So 180-degree anti-clockwise turn was that like this. After she was taking this, so we will take 180-degree anti-clockwise direction. Okay, we will take clockwise direction because she reached here after 180-degree anti-clock. So we will take clockwise direction. Okay, because we are starting from the end point. That's why we are taking reciprocal signs. So we for clockwise, we will change into anti-clock, and anti-clock we will change into clock. So in question given there is 180-degree anti-clockwise. So we will take a 180-degree clockwise. So 180-degree clockwise she will be here, and after that they were saying 135 clockwise direction. So we will take 135 anti-clockwise direction. So 135 anti-clockwise direction was this. 135 anti-clock means that she was at the temple in the initial stage. Okay, I hope you understand the question. So B is the right answer here, that initially she was at the temple. Okay, how we get the temple? I hope you understand that. For 135-degree clockwise and 180 anti-clockwise series theatre, when we take end point, when we take end point, then we will reciprocal the sign. Anti-clock will be make clock and clock will be make anti-clock. Then we will reach on the initial point only. Okay, when we change the sign, then we get easily the initial point. Okay, so here temple is the right answer. Next, arrange the following words in a meaningful logical sequence and select the correct option. Stem, fruit, root, seed, flower. Very first we saw seed, then we get root first. After that stem will grow, and after that fruits will grow, and after that flower will be grow, and after flower fruit will be grow. Okay, so here the sequence will be 4, 3, and after that 1, then 5, and then 2. 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. C is the right answer here for the 24th question. Next question is, Mohit celebrate Atul birthday on the 3rd day after second Saturday of March. After second Saturday, this was the first Saturday and this is the second Saturday. And after second Saturday of March, Mohit celebrate Atul birthday on the 3rd day. 3rd day is 1, 2, and 3. This is the 3rd day after second Saturday. So its birthday on the 15th March. A is the right answer here. Okay. The next question is, in the given Venn diagram, triangle represent boy, rectangle represent singers, and circle represent dancers. Okay. Triangle is boys. Rectangle is here. They are representing the singers. and circle is dancers. Okay, so dancers. So which of the following represent the boy who are dancer as well as singer both? Okay, so triangle should be inside in the triangle there should be circle also and rectangle also, because boys who are singer as well as dancer both. Okay, so here you can see that in O there will be the some part of rectangle and some part of circle here in the triangle. So it means O are the boys which are the dancer and singer both. So B is the right answer for the 26 number question. Okay, next question is, in which of the following option the given figure is exactly embedded as the one of its parts? Exactly embedded. So here you can see that this shape I can think where it is the shape. This shape is like this again here. So this and this is here, then this part is this and this part is this and this part is this. So this is the figure embedded here, you can see that. In D, right answer is D only. Okay. Next is, there is a certain relationship between the figure 1 and 2. Establish a similar relationship between the figure 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the option which will replace the question mark in the figure. So let's check which figure can be replaced. Okay, so here you can see in the first figure relation that they are 4 is converting into 5 and taking next place and converting into 5. Okay, here this shade is taking next place, but now this is unshaded. This is shading in next place JK after +1 alphabet. Okay, this is getting this here, and C is remains same as it is. Okay, no change in the C. Here 4 + 1 5 is taking this place. This will taking unshaded region, and here this will take +1 place, and this is same. So for same we will take same here. So dollar will be same. 7 + 1, then this will be 8 here. This is shaded, but here it should be unshaded because this part was unshaded here. And here this place will be taking +1. So this will be take +1 and R plus R plus 1 is S. So here it will be S. Okay, so figure should be look like this now, and inside figure you can see that this is rectangle and this is divided into two equal parts, and now unshaded will be shaded and shaded will be unshaded. So for the circle again, this will be part will be shaded now and this will be unshaded area. So as A is the same which we have drawn in this, so A is the right answer here. Next is, study the given pattern carefully. That what will be the number of triangle in the pattern 10? What will be the number of triangle in the pattern 10? So let's check how many triangle in the pattern 1. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means even number are increasing. 4, 6, 8 plus 2. Then again plus 2 will be 10. Fourth pattern, they are asking for the 10th pattern. Okay. So here is the 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, third pattern, fourth is 10, fifth is 12, sixth is 14, seventh is 16, eighth is 18, ninth is 20, and 10th is 22. Okay, so here C is the right answer here, that 10th pattern will be have 22 triangles. C is the right answer. Next question is, Nisha correctly remembered that her science exam is after 9th. But before 13th of October, her sister correctly remembered that Nisha's science exam is before 17th. But after 11th of October, on which date is Nisha's science exam? So here see the question again first, that according to Nisha, after 9th and before 13th, so it means here in between date are 10th, 11th and 12th. Her sister correctly remembered that Nisha's science exam is before 17th. But her sister was saying that his exam was before 17th but after 11th. After 11th and before 17th, there is the common date between both of them is, that is only 12th. which is common date for according to both of them. So only the 12th October is the exam date here. Okay, so 30B is the right answer. Next is Anamika drive 30 km towards south. Here are the direction: east, west, north and south. So Anamika drive 30 km towards south. So Anamika will be here 30 km plus 30 here. Okay, this is the south direction. And then she turned right and drive 60 km. Now she turned into the west direction because right side of the south is west, and turn for the 60 kilometers. She again turn right and drive 30 km. So again turn and drive 30 km. Matlab she turn into the north side and drive for the 30 km. Finally she drive 10 km after turning the left. Now she is turned left here. Okay, and drive for the 10 kilometers. For the west direction she turned now. How far is now she from her starting point? So let's check. Here it is 30. This is 60 kilometer. Okay, this part is 60 distance. Now again she turned 30. So it means from starting point, that is 30 same, and but distance between them is 60 here. 60 kilometers. So 60 is the exact distance at this point. Now she turned left and then 10 kilometer again she traveled. So 60 plus 10, she traveled total 70 kilometers. So B is the right answer here. Okay. Next is 32 number question, that how many different possible combinations of one book and one pencil each can be formed from a group of 4 book and 5 pencil. One book, one pencil. Here are 4 books and 5 pencils. 4 books and 5 pencil, and combination should be 1 to 1. Okay. So in this type of question, trick is that you have to multiply both the numbers and you will get the number of sets. So 4 into 5, that is 20. So 20 number of set can be formed from the one book and one pencil. Okay, you should multiply both the numbers. So 20 is the right answer. Next, which of the following word cannot be formed from the letter is the given word? Given word is the scramble. So scramble, C-A-B-L-E-S. C-A-B-L-E-S. It can be formed. Braces, B-R-A-C-E-S. Braces can be formed. Blame, here blame, B-L-A-M-E. Blame can be formed. So muscles, M-U. We don't have in this scramble U. So U muscles cannot be formed. So D is the right answer where we cannot form muscle. So find the maximum number of straight lines required to draw the given figure. So let's check how many straight lines are there. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that outer side. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then this stop here, 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, and this is 14. So last one is the 14. So here total 14 lines are here. C is the right answer. Okay. Next question is, find the missing number if the same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. So what is the rule here? Let's check. Here 5 4s are 20 and 22s are 40. 5 4s are 20 and 22s are 40. That means they all 3 are multiplying. 7 2s are 14 and 14 3s are 42. See, you can see that result in the between. So 4 3s are 12 to 60. So we should 60 divide by 12. 12 5s are 60. It means this is 5 here. Okay. Then 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the right answer. So it means missing figure is 5. D is the right answer here. Next, which of the following letter is exactly in the middle of the 9th letter from the left hand and 16 from the right hand in the English alphabet? So here what we need to write down the alphabets again. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now they are saying middle of the which of the following letter is exactly in the middle of 9th letter from the left hand. This is left hand, this is right hand, and 16th letter from the right hand in the English alphabet. तो left hand ninth letter, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and from right hand 16th, तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So this is K here. Okay, in the middle this is I and this is K. So between I and K, what is the middle letter? That is J. So B is the right answer here. Okay, this is the ninth letter, that is I. 16th letter from the right hand is K. Between I and K is J. So J is the right answer. Okay, so B is the right answer here. Next is Trishika and Smarth like math, Mini and Priya like science, Smarth, Trishika and Mini like Hindi. So Priya and Smarth like English. So who likes exactly three subject? देखो Trishika and Smarth like math, Trishika and Smarth like maths. Okay, and Mini and Priya likes science, and Smarth, Trishika and Mini like Hindi. So Smarth, Trishika and Mini, they like Hindi. Priya and Smarth like English. So Priya and Smarth like English. So which have exactly liking three subject. So you can see that Smarth is here in the three subjects. Priya is in 2, Trisha is in 2 and Mini is in 2. But Smarth is in 3 subject which she likes. So Smarth is the right answer here. Question 38 is, in a certain code language, mud is written as 38 and bark is written as 32. How will bird be written in the code language? देखो, mud is written as 38. Okay. So mud, if you write down the alphabets, then you will see that mud, M is come on 13 number, U will come on 21 number, and D is come on 4th number. So 13 plus 21 plus 4, that is equal to 38. Okay, same for the bark, B is coming on 2 number, A is 1 number, R is coming on 18 number, and K is coming on 11 number. So 18 plus 11 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 32. So this is 32. Now same for the bird, we need to count BIRD. D is coming on 4th number, R is coming on 18th number, I is coming on the 9th number, and B is coming on 2 number. So 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 18 plus 4 is equal to 33. So C is the right answer here. So C is 33 is right answer. Next is, if the given clock is 25 minutes slow, then what will be the correct time of the given clock? This clock is 25 minutes slow. So we will go back to the, sorry, it is slow, that's why we will forward the clock 25 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So this minute needle will be here. Okay, then time will be 3:10. C is the right answer here. Okay, it is 25 minutes slow now, that's why we will add 25 minutes here in the clock. So this is 3:10 will be the right time. Next question is, the model of a tower shown here to made up of unit cubes stacked on the top of each other. So how many unit cubes in there are used to form the tower? So you can see that here are total 1. देखो, we will check on the from the first. Okay, so here it is 1 2 3 4. So in the first line we will count 4, but in second line you can see that they are stacked on the each other. So it means 1 2 3 here, and 3 is the downward. Okay, 3 below these 3 cubes. So 3 plus 3, there is 6. Okay, in this stack here there's 2 in the first row, 2 here in the behind this, and 2 here. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 will be here. Okay, and here is the 1, but there is no 4 lines. So 1 2 3 4. So there will be the on this side, on this, under this 3 cubes or more here, then total they are 4 in this here. So total here will be 6 plus 4 10 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. So here total cubes are 20. A is the right answer here. Next, find the correct mirror image of the given figure if the mirror is placed vertically to the right. They are going vertically to the right. That is placed vertically where it is placed on the right side. This is left side and this is right side. Mirror placed here. So what will be the, here the left side, here it is right side, sorry, here it is right and here it is left. But in the mirror image, right will become left and left became right. So this will be like this. And then this, and G How the king will be look like? King will be look like G first here, and then N, then I, and then K, like this. Okay, so this will be look like king. This is the right answer here, king. A is the right answer. Okay, next question is select the odd one out. If I'm talking about the odd one out, this is F, and you can see that F is now 90 degree. This is the F. Now it is this is horizontal and this is the vertical. Sorry, this is vertical and this is horizontal. Now here it is vertical, this is horizontal. Now position of the H. Here G is vertical, okay, and it will be horizontal, okay, but you can see that this G is placed in this direction. F is placed in direction horizontally, H is placed in this direction horizontally, but G is now in this direction, it is horizontally, and R is in again in this direction horizontally placed. So here odd one out is only C. Question 43 is find the missing figure, each complete the given figure pattern. So you can see that here this is here and this is here, and now this is new figure. Okay, triangle is here now in second figure, and now in third figure you can see that equal is here, step forward, and this is step forward here, triangle, but in the bottom there is again new figure. So next in this will be here. Okay, so in this figure you can see that addition will be here and equal will be here, and there will be a new figure. So addition and equal, there addition and equal is here, addition and equal is here, but you can see that in this triangle is here, there is negative. So what we will take? We will take negative. Why we are taking negative? Because here the dark figures are now disappearing and the operation symbols are appearing. So we will take operation symbol here. Okay, the new figure will be operation symbol, then subtraction is the right answer here. B will be the right answer, not triangle. Okay, triangle cannot be appear here again. There will be a new number should be appear. So new figure will be that is new operation figure. So there is subtraction in the new bottom part, then B is the right answer. Next is how many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? How many lines of symmetry? This is the line of symmetry, first one. Not any other line of symmetry in this figure, so A is the right answer only. Next is some letter numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as given. Arrange the letter to form a meaningful English word. So for meaningful English words, what we will can arrange? B, R, E, A, K, no. Broken we can make B, R, O, K, E, N. Broken we can make from these letters. So for broken 3, R is 2, O is 6, E is 1, E again, B, R, O, K, sorry, this will be K, not E. So K is 4th, E is 1, and N is 5. So 3, 2, 6, 4, 1, 5. B is the right answer here. And next question is select the odd one out. R 18, M 13, V 22, and U 23. So R is 18 number alphabet, right? M is 13 number alphabet. This is also right. V is 22 number alphabet. This is again right. But U is not 23 number alphabet. Okay, that let me tell you, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is 26, this is 25, this is 24, 23, 22, and 21. So U is 21 number alphabet, not 23. So this is wrong here. Odd one out is D. Next is if clock means television, television mean radio, radio mean oven, and oven mean grinder, grinder mean iron, then in what will a lady bake a cake? Okay, lady will bake a cake in the oven. So in which lady will be make a cake? Lady will make cake in the oven, but radio means oven here. Okay, oven means is grinder, but radio means oven. So lady will be make cake in the radio. So A is the right answer here, radio. Next is there were 41 students standing in a line. Vinesh is exactly in the middle of the line. Okay, Vinesh is in the middle. Vinesh. Okay, in the middle. So 41 middle means 20 here and 20 here, and Vinesh is in 21 number, that's why it is the middle in the line. What is Vinesh position from the left as well as from the right? That is 21st number position from the left hand and from the right hand. C is the right answer here. Next is select the number from the option which will complete the given number series. So let's check what will be the number here. 83, 166. 166, 332. 83 and difference between 83, this is 83. 166 and 332, difference between them is 166 again. 332, देखो 83 plus 83 is 166. 166 plus 166 is 332. So 332 plus 332 will be make next number, that is 664. Okay, and 664 plus 664, that will be make 4 4s are 8, 6 is 12, 1 carrying 6 is 12 plus 13, so 1328. So it means this is the 664 right answer here. B is the right answer. Next is, if paper is written as QBQFS and school is written as TDIPPM, then bucket is written as, देखो paper is written as QBQFS. So we need to write down alphabets here. Okay, so let's check where I can write. Let me take a space here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now paper is Q. So P, Q. P plus 1, Q. A, B. Next, just next letter. P, Q, E, F. Just next letter they are taking. R, S. In the school same as S, T next letter. C, D. To next letter of C is D. H next letter is I. O next letter is P. O next letter is P again. And L next letter is M. So we will take next letter of book is alphabet. So B ka C. After O that is P. After U there is V. Q, R, U, V, E, F and P, S, T, U. So C, P, V, R, V, C, P, V, R, V, F, V, no, F, V, नहीं, F, U. C, P, V, R, V, F, U. B is the right answer here. Okay. So 50, B is right answer. So kids, here we learn the logical reasoning. How we can solve all the questions. Please repeat this video, learn all the methods, how we can solve them. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel KK's Coach. Don't forget to press bell icon to get notification for each new video. Thank you. Bye bye.